One tiny grammar tip and your English become 10x clearer. એક નાનકડી ગ્રામર ટીપ અને તમારું અંગ્રેજી 10 ગણું ક્લિયર. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Don't say discuss about. Say discuss. Let's understand better with an example. Let's discuss about the idea. This is wrong. The correct is let's discuss the idea. Discuss સાથે about નહીં આવે. Tip number 2. The correct use of have and has. જ્યારે સબ્જેક્ટ I, we, you, they કે પ્લુરલ ફોર્મ હોય ત્યારે have નો યુઝ થાય અને જ્યારે સબ્જેક્ટ he, she, it કે સિંગ્યુલર ફોર્મ હોય ત્યારે has નો યુઝ થાય. Let's see comparison. I have a pen. She has a pen. Last tip, use a and an. Use a before consonant sound. A nest, a university. Use an before vowel sound. An arrow, an honest. Remember, a is used before consonant sound. N is used before vowel sound. Many people make these 3 mistakes every day, but you won't after today. Now, one bonus tip. Don't say more better. Say better. Better સાથે more નથી આવતું. So friends, master small grammar tips. નાની grammar tip મોટો ફેરફાર. Follow for more easy learning English.